I already did a tutorial on this manual stapler sewing machine, but in today's episode I'm going to show you how to thread the electric one, the bigger one. Welcome back to the channel. If you've not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and turn on your notification button. So as I said before, this is an electric sewing machine. It uses batteries. It also uses a cable for electricity. Aside from that, there is no big difference between this one and the stapler sewing machine. The bobbins used on the stapler sewing machine are the same ones used on the electric sewing machine. They both make one stitch, the chain stitch, so they are almost the same. Putting that aside, now I'm going to show you how to thread the electric sewing machine, which is also the same as the stapler sewing machine. As you can see, my bobbin area is set. My yarn is also set. From here, I'm going to use a threader to pass my yarn through this hole. This is done. From here, I'm going to pass the yarn through the metallic joint in front. After this, we are passing the yarn through this point here. This is done. From here, I'm going to insert my thread and pull the thread from the back to the front. Remember, it is from the back to the front. This is done and we are done with that part. The next part is to ensure the thread goes below the presser. So pull the presser up and make sure the thread goes below the presser. This part is done and our machine is ready to use. Now work on your power system. Up here on the machine is where the switch of on and off is. You push it forward and it's off. You push it back and it's on. The place where the batteries are placed is at the back, and this is where it is. To open it, all you have to do is push it back and it will open up. You don't have to press it much, you just have to push it gently behind and it will open up. It needs 4 batteries to operate. Mine is empty because I'm yet to insert in my batteries. Then there is also another way you can use it without the batteries. You need a cable. When you purchase this machine, it doesn't come with a cable, so you look for it. And this tiny hole up here is where you insert your cable and then connect it to the socket. And there you go, your device will be ready to use. So having used both the manual and the electric sewing machine, I prefer the manual one. This is because the electric sewing machine, you have to pause it between sewing, otherwise it will stop working. It does heat up easily because it is a small machine, so you cannot overwork it. One more thing to consider before buying these two devices is that they only do the light work. You cannot rely on them to work on heavy fabrics. They also do only one stitch, and that is the chain stitch. So before you purchase it, consider what you want, what you need. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching to this end. If you've not subscribed, please do. Until next time, bye bye.